Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about stock price prediction of ITC for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of the company. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predict for ITC for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do manual analysis of ITC using some charts, OA and FA and DIA data. So this is the ITC introduction. So as we know, like ITC is a coal magnate with a lot of business are there, mainly with tobacco, FMCG and IT and hotel, etc. And its market cap is around 2.92 crore, and its current price is around 238 and had an all-time high of 265. And its dividend yield is a very good one. Over past few years, ITC pay very good dividend, and its PE is also good one. It is dealing around 20. And this is a quarterly results. We can see like quarterly results is keep on improving over the quarters, and operating profit before tax, after tax, everything is a very good looking one. And ITC is almost a debt free company. And we can see like sales also is keep on improving over year by year, and profit before tax, after tax, net profit, all are a very good one. And ITC had a very good dividend yield as well, and its dividend per year is almost better than our current bank FD rates. And this is the data input we have taken into algorithm. We have taken data from 2015 Jan 1st onward till 2021 November 17th. So we can see like for past few years ITC was in a downtrend because of regulations and other compliance with tobacco and others, but currently ITC is concentrating more on FMCG and other. So we can see like after COVID it is in an uptrend, and we have get a breakdown as well here. So in next few weeks and months and all, we are expecting some better rally in ITC. So this is our what our algorithm is predicted. So as for algorithm, we can take an entry around here like 235 to 36 or something, and we can set our first target as all-time high as 260 or 265, and then we can set next target somewhere around 270 and 280. And as you know, like ITC is a very defensive stock, so we can't expect like a very high returns within a short term. So this is an enlarged one. So as for algorithm, we can enter almost around here like 230 or 235 or 236 also is a very good one, since we have get a breakdown here. So 236, 237 also we can enter, and we can set a target as 260, 265 as first one, and then 270 and 280 as a second target, and within a short term. So this is our daily candlesticks chart we have taken from ChartLink. So we can see ITC is for past 1 or 2 years ITC is moving along with its 200 moving average, and whenever ITC price is closed above its 10 moving average, it is moving a very better rally. So here as well we can see its price is closed above 10 moving average, and we are expecting some better rally from this particular point till 260 as first one, and then 270 or 280 as second target. So this is a weekly candlesticks chart. So here also we can observe like whenever ITC is moving, ITC price is closed above its 2-week prior highs, then it is we can observe some better rally. So here as well. So this time also we can see like its previous 2 weeks high is broken, and this particular high also is going to break. So we can enter around this point. Risk traders can enter around 236 to 37, or as a safe side we can enter around 245 or 250, and target we can set around 260 first one, and then 274 or 279 as a second target. And as we explained earlier, ITC is a defensive one, so we have to target like a 5 or 10% profit in a short term. So this is the OA data we have taken from Nifty for 18th last week. So last week we can see like there are some call option sell was higher than put option sell. So the market was in some down or consolidation phase. So this week, 25th November, we can see like it is almost neutral, but there is some resistance is there around 18,000 and 18,250 and 500, but other than that, it is almost flat. So we can expect some consolidation, or as Nifty is closed above 18,000, we are expecting some better movement. So this is the OA data we have taken for ITC for 25th November end. So we can see some resistance is there around 240 and 250, but after that we can expect some better rally. So this is FIA and DA data. So in October we see like there are a lot of sell, but in November FIA and DA started buying, and this huge sell on 18 November might be due to option closing. So here also we can see like in monthly chart there are huge sell happened in Nifty, as Nifty touched 18,600, but after that things has been improved, and in November we can see it is almost neutral. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.